Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is brought to you by Boslla LED Headlights. We're going to install these today and see how they compare over the good old stockies. So let's get this unboxed. Alright, so I've been working on the van. Everybody knows that. Now I almost bought some LED headlights. This company hit me up. They said, hey, if we send you some headlights, we make a video about it. And I was like, sure, let's see what you got. So this company, there it is. You can read it, Boslla LED Headlights. They sent me this, and so far I like them. They come in a nice box. Good instructions inside. So let's see if I can open this up with one hand. And I cannot. Alright, so I got the box open. First thing on top is a, you know, you can call them and tell them you're happy or not happy. So, pretty sure I'll be happy. Here's the manual. Well, somewhere in this manual, I think it was this one. Let's see. I got the H4. Okay. This says H4. And if you look here, it's got 3K, which is the color. Or if you turn the headlights back on and off real fast, it'll turn to 6500K, which is like blue. You see it? And then that's high beam. So it'll be this. Then you turn them on and off, or off and on, and they'll turn in this color, which is what they say, I think. And but we're gonna find out. Here's the product. You know, this is pretty tiny compared to some LED headlights I've installed. There's actually a fan in there to keep it cool, which is probably one of the smallest fans I've ever seen on a headlight. It's got like a high temp braiding on the wire. There's no ballast. So, should be pretty simple to install. Now, I've installed some LED headlights before a couple times. No big deal. Well, sometimes it is a big deal because the wiring is bulky and hard to get, you know, inside the headlight because it's got a dust cover that keeps everything dry. And a lot of these, the wiring doesn't work right. But I think on this car I'll be fine. It looks pretty easy. But I'm not going to install these yet. I'm going to install these in the morning, finish up this video, because tonight I got to get you a little night footage of what the headlights used to look like. So if you want to go check these out, I should have some kind of code or something. I don't have it yet. I'm still fighting with them about it. But it seems like the internet ain't working or something. So I'm in contact with the person trying to get the code. So just figured I'd wave my finger here so I can put the code in later. Alright, so it's the next day. I got that little bit of footage I needed last night. Installing these today. They look pretty good. They are not the ones that change colors. These are the B1 series. The B2, 3, and 4 series change colors from, I don't know, 35K to 65K. These are just 65K. So they're pretty blue. I got one hooked up. You can see it. See it down here? Let's see. There's one. So I'm going to get the other one installed now. I got the GoPro on, and it should take about 5 minutes. Okay, so one thing I did have to do, this is the seal. It looks a little something like this. And on the other side, I had to cut this much out of it so that you can get ventilation, because these things run hot. They got little fans in them. You gotta have cooling. So I'm gonna cut this up, get it installed. And just like that, they're installed. 5 minutes, done. This side was the hard side. I don't know why I saved it for filming. I'll wait till tonight and get some footage, but I'll turn them on real quick. There you go. Super bright. That's low beam. They look a little purple because they're red bulbs, but I'm sure it'll be nice going down a highway with some good LEDs. And that's a wrap for me on this one. Look at them skies, beautiful. Don't forget, check your oil, like and subscribe. Bob's your uncle. Peace.